Hello, everybody. It's Dr. Amy coming to you, bringing you another inspiring moment. I wanted to talk to you today about, ask you the question, I should say. I want to ask you the question, what are you aspiring to do or aspiring to become? Today, I want to talk to you about purpose. Purpose. What's your purpose? Do you think about that? What's my purpose in life? What's my assignment? I want to know, what are you aspiring to do or to become? And what I want to say to you, whatever that is, I want to give you step one today. I'm going to give you step one. Step one is you have to decide. You have to decide what you want to do, what you want to be, and then get about your business. Step one, decide. So that's what I want you to do. I'm going to start giving you some lessons. I'm going to bring out Coach Amy, and I'm going to start giving you some lessons. And lesson one is decide. That's what I want you to work on. Decide what it is you want to do. What are you aspiring to be? And today, what I want to talk to you about is you, again, sharing your gifts. Do you know that there are people out there that can use your help? I know, for example, as you know, I have a management consulting business, Dr. Amy Himes and Associates, but we have other business people in our family. I'm so proud of my uncle. It's Himes and Son Trucking business, for example. And I say this to mention, as we're getting older, right, you're not going to be able to continue to do that same work yourself. What it's time to do now is to shift, and you become the teacher, you become the expert, and you become the coach. You can do it. So whatever business you have, I know from my class reunion, several of my classmates talked to me about the work that they're doing. I can remember Dwight and him and his wife, beautiful wife, are doing a medical service business of some sort. Well, guess what? There are other people who might want to do that too. It's time for you now to teach someone else. I can remember Kurt, who mentioned that he's a successful truck driver. Well, guess what? It's time for you to teach someone else how to have that type of business. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? It's time now for you to share your skills, share your expertise, share your knowledge, share your gifts, because there's someone else out there who needs you. And that's what I do. I teach people how to become coaches. So all of your where are my aspiring coaches? Where are you? Where are you? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Come to the front of the class. All of my aspiring coaches, I know you have something inside of you. You've probably been thinking about it for a while. How can I help someone else? I know the stories that you have. I hear the challenges that you have. I speak to new people every week that respond to my sponsored ads. You probably have seen it too. Are you smart? Are you a smart, savvy career professional and looking to do something different? I'm talking to you. It's time. It's time. It's time to reach back and help someone else. I know a lot of people who, so they have their business. Well, it's time to teach someone else. You've gone through something in your life. People are cancer survivors. Well, it's time. Maybe you can have a business where you are helping other people, coaching them through. You are the motivator for them. You can perhaps put together some recipes that got you through. Right? What got you through? What got you from where you were to where you are now? There are other people out there going through the same thing. And we are the ones who have to help. I know I said to people all of the time, God is an awesome God, but he is not going to come down here and stand in front of you and say, here's the thing on the platter. He puts his people in place. He puts his angels in place. He puts us in place to help others, right? To train others, to give back to others. And that's what I'm saying to you today. I think it's your time to give back. I think it's your time for you to step in the driver's seat and for you to impact others and help others. Come on over here to my side. Come on over here to my side and let me teach you how to be a coach. And I'm talking, what is that? You can be a life coach. You can be a nutrition coach. You can be a divorce coach. You can be a marriage coach. You can be a love coach. You can be a business coach. You can be whatever it is you want to do. You tell me what it is you do, and trust and believe I'll be able to fit that into a business model for you. Where are my aspiring coaches? Where are my aspiring coaches? Step to the front of the class. Step to the front of the room. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Don't sit on it. Do not sit on it. Take action now. Go DrAmyTheCoach.com. Download that video. Hear how, get an idea of how I work. I did a lot of training on that. My mentor told me it was too long, but all of the people that are responding are saying, boy, thank you. They got so much from it. So I always say, I go by my own beat. It doesn't matter what they say. Don't make it too long, but people are learning and they're responding. Download that video, DrAmyTheCoach.com. And my alarm is going off because I'm standing out here too long. It's detected me as a person. Let me hurry up and get out of here. But download that video, DrAmyTheCoach.com. Download the video, watch it, and then you can schedule an appointment with me where you can get on for free. All of this is for free. Let me help you come up with a strategy. And I'm doing it because I want to work with you. I want to work with you. Okay. I want to work with you. I want to be your accountability coach. I want to be your teacher. I want to be your life coach. I want to be your business coach to help you soar and level up in 2024. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm Dr. Amy. I am your business coach. I am your life coach, and I am here for you, my friend. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'll see you right back here the next time. Bye-bye.